guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'm here weekly with cute and simple hairstyles you can rock for the week or to your next event. Or if you're looking for any hair tips, I got you, girl. If you're already subscribed to my channel, then you are familiar with the type of videos that I do. I love to do a lot of protective styles, natural hairstyles, but in today's video, I want to switch it up and talk to you guys one-on-one, but mostly talk to a natural girl that's watching this video that's starting out or thinking about being natural. This video is for you, and if you are thinking about being natural, stay tuned because I'm here to inspire you and tell you welcome to the natural hair community. Trust me, once you start your journey and you see your progress, you will not regret it. So stay tuned. So if you are a natural girl starting out, trust me, I've been there. If you are a natural girl thinking about being natural, trust me, I've been there. In both situations, I have been to the point where like, yeah, I'm gonna be natural. I'm gonna start that out because I want to see my hair popping, my curls popping like that girl over there. But then I was like, you know what? The process and all of that seems like it takes too much work, and I don't have time. I don't want to do that. But then I changed my mind about that like 2 years ago when I tried to wear my hair, you know, curly and try to go out all confident, and my hair was just, you know, I was so confident, don't get me wrong, but my hair wasn't popping. So I was like, oh my God, my hair doesn't look like that. Like, you know how you watch a YouTube tutorial and you try to do it and then it's like what you thought was gonna happen versus reality? Yeah, that's what that was. And that's when I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have a bet with myself. I'm gonna have a goal with myself, and I'm going to make sure that my hair looks like this or better. And not to say that I was comparing myself, but that's kind of what I did starting out, comparing myself to other natural girls, like, oh my God, I want my hair to be curly like that. But then again, you have to think about it. Every natural hair girl doesn't have the same type of texture of hair. So once I learned that, and you will learn that too once you start to, you know, go on the process of your natural hair journey. So once you learn that, you would know how to kind of work with your hair a little bit better. So like I said, 2 years ago, I wanted to wear my hair natural, just completely natural. I was tired of the extensions, I was tired of the weaves. So when I did that and I wore my hair, I did the little twist out, and I was just like, oh. So when I see my hair like that, I was so disappointed in my hair because I'm like, okay, even though I was wearing these type of styles and extensions, I still could have been investing in my hair and making sure that my hair was thriving as well underneath all of those protective styles or the weaves and etc. I could have invested in my hair. I could have been taking care of my hair. But I didn't want to dwell on it. I didn't want to doubt myself that my hair couldn't grow, because that's how I felt for a second, because my curly hair was up top and then I had the straight end. So I was going through that transitioning type of hair. I didn't want a big chop. I've done that before and that was just too much work. So I said, okay, I'm going to transition. But that transition took a long time and I wasn't patient at first because I'm like, why does my hair look like that every time I wear my hair curly? So I had to do a lot of twists and twist outs and little rollers to kind of make it blend in together. But my hair will be curly. My hair was curly on the sides, but then it would have the straight ends, and the curl pattern was different from certain pieces of my hair, and it was all that. I was like, why did I do this to my hair? But I wanted to be natural. I like being natural. I can walk out the house being natural, and trust me, I get more compliments versus if I had on makeup and I had on weave. And I noticed that, and I'm like, wow. So because I'm being confident and being natural, not saying, like I said, not saying that you have to be natural to be confident, but because I walked out the house being my true self and showing who I am, I walked with a purpose, and I'm like, oh, I'm so cute, right? I'm so cute. I see a lot of girls not embracing who they are because society, or especially for a lot of Black women, we get a lot of backlash for wearing a lot of protective styles or embracing our natural hair, and we can't really embrace our natural hair because of so many controversial things about it. And it's really sad to me that since we have those feelings about being natural, a lot of girls are not confident in being natural. And it's crazy to me because that's your crown, that's your hair, you rock it the best, and you are true to yourself when you are natural, because you're showing other people that you're confident in yourself. So walk up the house and wear your own hair. Being natural shows how confident you are. And I was confident, and I was confident and positive that my hair was gonna grow past a certain length, because I used to doubt my hair and say, no, it's not gonna grow. Why should it grow? Because I mean, I never seen when I was younger, my hair was long, but I never seen my hair past a certain length when I got a certain age. So I'm like, okay, it's gonna stay at neck length. But I was inspired by a lot of other natural girls. I wasn't comparing myself, but I was inspired. I'm like, you know what? My hair is going to be down my back. My hair is gonna be curly. My hair is going to be curly. I'm not going to see any more dull, straight little curl ends. My hair is going to be the same curl pattern, and I'm going to work on my hair. I'm going to invest in my hair. Even though I do wear protective styles from time to time, but I still make sure that my hair underneath is protected with a lot of deep conditionings, oils, protein treatments. I make sure my hair is I'm on top of my game with my hair. You know, I have some little trial and errors from here and there. I get a little lazy. I get a little lazy from time to time, but trust me, I keep up with my hair. And if you are a natural girl going through that type of debate with yourself, trust me, I have been there. But I'm here to tell you to be confident, to be positive in your hair. Your hair will grow past a certain length if you take the time to invest in your hair. Anything you have to invest in, you have to be confident in anything you are dealing with. So look at your hair as your investment. You have to find the products to work with your hair. You have to figure out your hair type, because everybody's hair type is not the same. Yes, we have controversial conversations about that with everybody in society. They like a certain hair type, boo-hoo, who cares? Every hair type is beautiful, trust me. And I want you to embrace it. Embrace your hair, because once you embrace your hair, you are showing other people you are confident and no one can tell you anything. Your hair is your crown and you need to wear it proudly. Why not? Why? I've seen girls from 3B, 4B, 3C, 4A, whatever type of hair types, and their hair is beautiful. Sometimes I envy girls who do have 4B hair, because their hair is thicker than mine. And I've seen a lot of girls with 4B hair and their hair is down their back waist length. So just because you feel like your hair is not a certain type, you feel like your hair is not gonna grow to a certain length, trust me, I've seen every different hair types and every different type of lengths, and I'm like, oh, dang, I need my hair like that. So don't compare yourself, just wear your hair proudly. You need to. You owe that to yourself to wear your hair proudly. So my challenge for you today, if you are looking at this video, to 1, step out the house with no makeup on. 2, step out the house with your natural hair, regardless if it's whatever texture it is. That's what I want you to do today. And if you can do those 2 things, then you are natural and you are confident. I'm not saying that you're not confident if you do not walk out the house with those 2 things, but you're showing other people that you're confident in yourself. You're wearing your true self. And if you can do that, other people will look at you like, wow, she got some type of purpose there. I want to see what she's about. I promise you, you probably most likely will get more compliments versus if you walk out the house with makeup or your hair in some type of like extensions or weave. So that's my challenge for you guys today. And if you can do that, kudos to you, and leave me a comment below and letting me know how that worked out for you. If you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's not going to be a video like this all the time, but I just wanted to stop and talk to my natural girlfriends and let you know to be confident in yourself, be true to yourself, and wear your natural hair. Rock it, girl.